Welcome back, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of advanced conjunctions, those subtle yet powerful connectors that shape complex thought, contrast nuanced ideas, and bring sophistication to your speech and writing. We're not just talking about and, or, but we'll explore correlative, subordinating, and even conjunctive adverbs like not only, but also, and as much as, and nonetheless. Whether you're aiming for fluency, academic writing excellence, or just want to sound more articulate, mastering these will elevate your command of English. So let's unpack the mechanics, the usage, and some common mistakes you'll want to avoid. Ready to level up your grammar? Let's get started. Explanation of conjunction. Conjunctions are essential elements in advanced English grammar that serve to link words, phrases, clauses, or sentences. They allow us to express relationships between ideas with precision and fluidity. Without them, language becomes fragmented and lacks coherence. There are three main types of conjunctions: coordinating, subordinating, and correlative. Each type plays a distinct role in sentence structure and logical development. Mastery of these types allows for more dynamic, expressive writing and speech. Coordinating conjunctions connect elements of equal syntactic importance. Words like and, but, or, nor, so, yet, and for are the most common examples. They allow the creation of compound sentences, which balance or contrast parallel ideas. Although coordinating conjunctions may seem simple, their proper use requires attention to rhythm, balance, and punctuation. Advanced users apply them to vary sentence length and tone with intention. The goal is not just grammatical correctness, but stylistic refinement. Subordinating conjunctions introduce dependent clauses that rely on a main clause for meaning. Words such as although, because, since, unless, while, and if create complex sentence structures. They reflect time, cause, condition, contrast, or concession. Subordination allows for greater depth and precision in communication. For example, although he disagreed, he remained silent, expresses contrast and hierarchy of ideas. This nuanced control is key in academic, legal, and persuasive writing. Subordination allows for greater depth and precision in communication. For example, although he disagreed, he remained silent, expresses contrast and hierarchy of ideas. This nuanced control is key in academic, legal, and persuasive writing. Advanced usage of correlative conjunctions demands careful attention to parallel structure. She is not only brilliant but also disciplined, maintains symmetry in word choice and form. Errors in balance can distort meaning or sound awkward. In addition to the main types, conjunctive adverbs function similarly to conjunctions by linking independent clauses. Words like however, therefore, moreover, nonetheless, and consequently convey logical transitions. They are used to bridge ideas with sophistication. These adverbs typically follow a semicolon and precede a comma when joining independent clauses. For example, he was late, however, he still presented his work professionally. This structure signals advanced understanding of both grammar and flow. A key aspect of advanced conjunction use is attention to tone and register. Formal conjunctions like nevertheless or hence suit academic contexts, while but or so are better in casual settings. Choosing the right word elevates the effectiveness of communication. Writers must also avoid overusing conjunctions, which can result in bloated or unclear sentences. Strategic revision ensures that each connector contributes to meaning. In advanced writing, less is often more. Clarity always takes precedence over complexity. Punctuation plays a critical role in the correct use of conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions require commas before them when joining independent clauses. Conjunctive adverbs often need a semicolon before and a comma after, adding to structural precision. In complex sentences, conjunctions manage multiple layers of thought. Incorrect placement or unnecessary repetition can obscure meaning or confuse readers. Mastery means orchestrating ideas logically while keeping the sentence smooth and readable. Beyond syntax, conjunctions also shape the rhetorical impact of a sentence. For example, replacing but with yet introduces a subtler contrast. Such choices allow writers to fine-tune emphasis and guide the reader's interpretation more precisely. Different disciplines and writing genres require different conjunction strategies. Academic writing often favors subordination for nuance, while business writing prefers clarity through coordination. Understanding these conventions improves audience targeting. For multilingual speakers or advanced ESL learners, subtle differences in meaning can pose challenges. Words like although and despite, or because and due to, are often confused. Practice with context, tone, and structure is essential for mastery. Ultimately, conjunctions are more than mere connectors, they're structural and rhetorical devices. They reflect the logic, flow, and emphasis behind our thoughts. Using them well signals maturity, fluency, and intention in both speaking and writing. Conjunctions allow us to express not only what we think, but how those thoughts relate to each other. They give language its texture, cohesion, and rhythm. In advanced usage, they become tools of clarity, persuasion, and intellectual precision. In literature and creative writing, conjunctions can be used stylistically to pace narrative or create dramatic tension. A repeated use of and may reflect urgency or stream of consciousness. Conversely, omitting conjunctions, asyndeton, can intensify rhythm or impact. Legal and formal documents often rely on precise conjunctions to avoid ambiguity. Phrases like provided that, whereas, and insofar as introduce specific legal conditions or limitations. In such contexts, conjunctions aren't optional, they're essential to meaning. In academic writing, subordinating conjunctions are often used to frame complex arguments. They help situate claims within context by indicating cause, concession, or contrast. This enables layered reasoning, especially in fields like philosophy, law, or science. When editing advanced writing, one effective strategy is to examine each conjunction for necessity and clarity. Ask whether the relationship between clauses is logical and unambiguous. Eliminating redundant connectors often improves coherence and flow. Ultimately, mastering conjunctions is about controlling structure, tone, rhythm, and logical progression. It's not just about linking words, but guiding your audience through your thought process. This control distinguishes competent writing from truly excellent prose. Thanks for joining this deep dive into conjunctions. Keep practicing, stay curious, and let language work for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more advanced grammar lessons.